Hi, it's Torben here. Welcome to the 7 Seas Joint Edge Challenge. Make sure you got some space to move about, whether you're at home or in the office. Because in this video I will be focusing on the hips and the lower back. I will show you some exercises to help prevent joint stiffness and pain, and also to loosen up your joints and make you feel alive. Today I'll be working with Amanda.
Hi.
Hi. Let's start with the hips. If you put your hands flat on your hip joints and then roll your hips in big circles. You do it both ways. And this is an exercise that's very good for the hip joints and the lower back. That is excellent. The next stretch is a soothing stretch for the lower back. If you lie on your back, please. And bring your knees up towards your chest, hold your fingers, and then just relax every muscle but rock gently your knees up and down. That is a very soothing exercise for the lowest part of the back. How does that feel?
Very easy on the back.
Good. Let's go on to the cat stretches. We'll do a couple of different cat stretches. The first one, you bring your back up and really push my hand up and bring your head down. Then go opposite, lower back down and your head up. That is good. And do it on your own one more time. Stretch up and stretch down. And come up to the midline. Now we'll do one that stretches the sides of the back. Swivel your legs away and you bring your shoulder forward so you stretch the whole side of this back. This side should not be compressed too much. You're doing fine. Maybe pull your shoulder forwards a little bit more, that's good. And now swivel the other way with your legs and your upper body. And bring this shoulder forwards and the hip down here a little bit by swiveling your legs slightly more. That stretches great here. And again, make sure not to compress it here. How does that feel?
Good stretch.
Good. You feel it stretching on the sides. Excellent. Let's get straight to the piriformis stretch. So take one foot and bring it over your knee. And then grasp your supporting leg with your hands. So the hand literally goes in between the legs and grasp the finger of the other hand. And you can feel a stretch in the buttock here. That's the piriformis muscle being stretched. This is a very important muscle for both the hip and the lower back. Good. Let's swiftly go on to stretching the adductor muscles. Hold your feet together with your hands. Push your knees down with your elbows. That brings the legs wide and stretches the adductor muscles here. After you've done that for a bit, then push your legs against your arms, hold your arms where they are, so you activate these muscles, and that will strengthen them. How does that feel?
Yeah,
Can you feel it activate the muscles?
Stretch. Yeah.
That's good. That's the adductor stretch and strengthening. So there you go. That's the first set of the 7 Seas joint exercises. Now it's time to practice. You should take just 10 minutes out of your day, at least 6 times over the next 2 weeks, to do them and to help free up your joints. The more you practice, the more benefit your joints will feel, so keep them up. Don't forget to complement these exercises with the right balance of nutrition, because by eating the right foods, you can shed any of those extra pounds which could be putting additional pressure on your joints. Foods such as oily fish and dairy produce can help promote joint flexibility and healthy bones. Most importantly, taking a supplement will really help to improve the health of your joints. Glucosamine and omega-3 are the 2 best ingredients you can take for joint health. Glucosamine can help to rebuild your connective tissues, while omega-3 reduces inflammation around the joints. Take a supplement including these ingredients once a day, and your joint health should continue to improve. You should also look out for emails from 7 Seas featuring nutritionist Dr. Rosemary Leonard's great advice on reducing your joint age. See the 7Cs website for further information on supplements, and don't forget to revisit the Joint Edge calculator at the end of the 12 weeks. So good luck with the exercises, and I'll see you in the next video.